Welcome to my video. My name is Harshal and this is Design and Analysis of Algorithm Lab Experiment number 1, Implementation of Greedy Solution to Solve Fractional K-knapsack Problem. In greedy method, it is used by minimum and maximum. As we see a real life example, if we choose commerce or arts and we cannot take engineering, we have to search job as according to those fields. And when we find the job that we will find a minimum job. And when we find a minimum job, we will find the maximum profit, means how much we can earn. So that example is based on this only. When we enter weight and profit, it will find the best minimum weight and find the maximum profit, and it will give us the exact same profit which is maximum from all those weights which we have entered in. And it will go in descending order, because it will sort each and every number of weights, and it will give us the maximum profit which is earned from that. And it is based on greedy approach, does not allow us lead to an optimal solution. It will give us the uh, exact profit which is given from the user, and it will print that. And here in fractional k knapsack problem, it will combine all those weights which are optimized and give us the fractional output which is there. Means if we entered a 10 and 60, it will divide that, and which the number we got, that is in knapsack problem, it will go in descending order. From those three weights, it will find which is fitting inside the bag. If we put the capacity of bag 50, it will only take which is best weight for that, and it will calculate weight and profit, it will divide, and it will add those, and it will give us the exact profit which we gain from that. Here if we took here are the weights, that is ABCD, and profit here is for 40. We got 280. For 10 we got 100. For 20 we got profit of 120, and of weight 24 we got 120. It will divide this, and the output which we got, it will take this and it will put inside the bag which is there, and it will give us the maximum profit which we got from these weights and profit which we have entered. So here I will show you the program. In this program, here user will enter two inputs, that is that how much we have to take the capacity, how much objects we have to enter, and it will accept weight and profit from the user. Here are the inputs taken from the user. Enter number of the object. It will how much user have to enter the objects, 4, 5, etc. The user will enter here, and enter the weight of the knapsack bag. Is here the bag which is entered from the user. If here is 15, then it will check which has the maximum profit which will be earned, and it will divide that, and if that is fitting in that bag, it will fit that and print the maximum profit which is earned from that. Here it the user will enter the objects, that is first weight will be entered and profit will be entered. After that, in for loop, it will ask the user to enter the two values, that is weight and the profit. In after the for loop, the data which is inserted, that will be 0, and this bag is equal to 8. And in while loop, here we saw, that is in while loop, see here the bag weight is there is less than is equal to 0. The maximum weight, that is equal to -1, because from the -1 it will go to last one, and it will divide that. And when the weight and profit will be divided, the fractional number, it will go in descending order. That is, if we divide 2 and 8, it will we will get as a 4 profit, and it will go from the from 0. Here the maximum profit which is there is equal to -1. It will go from 0, and here in for loop, for I is equal to 0, I is less than number which is entered from the user, means this 3, and I plus plus, it will increment one by one. And in if statement, the data which is firstly inserted by the user, that is equal to 0, and operation is there, and maximum, the maximum profit which is entered, that will be -1, because it will start from 0. So here it is -1, or it will check this condition. If this condition is true, it will go forward. In float array, it will take the first array which is entered from the user, and it will divide that from second. And if those two are less than the maximum profit which is entered from the user, it will divide that, and it will give us the maximum profit which is entered from the user. Means from all those what we have inserted the values from the user, the maximum profit, it will go from maximum to minimum. That is, from descending to ascending, it will go from the last one, the biggest one, it will take the profit, and it will insert that into the bag. If the bag is full, it will not insert that. Or if the bag have space, it will insert that element, and it will divide that, and the maximum profit which is there from that bag, it will print that. Here is the, when the data is maximum, that will be 1. And here the weight, the bag's weight which is there, it is minus is equal to array of 0, that is maximum. Means here it will take the maximum profit from the 0th position, because the array starts from 0. Here it will take from 0th position, and the total profit which is there, the total profit will be added from the previous one, and the uh, first one, it will add those profit, and it will print the object added which are there of that bag. Here the bag size is there, bag is less than is equal to 0, then it will print the objects added in the bag. It will print what is the weight of that bag, because here it will ask what is the bag's weight. Then it will print here weight, and the maximum plus 1, it will add each and every uh, objects one by one. Here is the for loop, it will enter one by one, two array will be there. Then it will print that. Afterwards it will print the profit which is entered by the user, and if the bag is completed, it will show here what is the bag's remaining weight, or the space left which is there, it will print. Or else, if this condition is true, then it will go in else part, it will go in else part. Then it will print the object added which are there, maximum plus 1, it will incremented by 1. Here the weight which is there, it will print all the weights which are there, and the first weight which is there, it will add the profit which is there. Of all those, it will weight and profit will be divided by fraction, and that what the profit which is earned, it will multiply that, and it will show what is the space left if bag is full, and all the weights which is there, and it will print the total profit. That is, the total profit minus total profit is equal to area of 1, mm, of maximum, the maximum profit which is there, and it will add all those profit, and it will print in that statement and multiply the previous one, last one, and it will print here the total bag worth object, and here is the total output. Now I will run the program. Firstly, it is asking us to enter the object. So I'm entering 3. Here it is asking enter the weight of knapsack. I'm entering 50. Now it is asking us to enter the object. So I entered here 10, 60, 20, 100, 30, 120. So the maximum profit which is earned, that is 240. The backfill's worth, that is 240. The first object that is added of weight is 10 and the profit is 20. The space left, that is 40. Then it will it will divide this, and which is the fraction of that it will add in this both. And after the second object that is added, that is 20, that is having weight 20 and profit of 100. The bag is completed, only space left, that is 20. And again the third that is there, it is 30. Object added, that is 20 and profit is 80. Here the space left is 0 and weight added is 20. Then it will remove and make the equal. So here the bag fill with the objects worth, that is 240. From this profits and weights, we got the bag worth, that is 240. This is experiment number 1, design and analysis of algorithm lab. Thanks for watching my video.